I think there's something here that nararamdaman mo but hindi mo nakikitang mangyayari ito or paparating ito sa'yo. But this is something here big, no? Parang isa itong malaking event for you, no? Parang yung energy niyo rito is parang pinakahihintay niyo ito, ganun, no? So alamin natin yun. Ooh, why is the Three of Swords here? Three of Swords gives me this type of message, no? Upon seeing it right away, it looks like there could be a situation where there could possibly be other options or possible other reasons, but this is something here painful. This is something here na parang you feel like everyday stormy days, no? So, this is something here na parang mahirap, mabigat for you. But it looks like there is a big event related to that, no? But for some reason, kahit nakita natin yung Three of Swords, no? Hindi natin nasisense dito na negative ang reading. Actually, it gives me this type of message na parang magaan lang, no? Parang pwede nating i-forward na is itong positive reading, no? But we'll see. We'll see, okay. Okay, tanggalin natin tong tissue, mga babes. Temperance energy to the Wheel of Fortune right here. Woo! Three major arcanas already right off the bat, no? Ito sa paglay ng ating energy sa ating table. So, it gives me this type of message like it's oras na, no? Perfect timing or divine timing, no, is here, and I think it has to do with your love life area, the Lover's card energy. The energy is familiar. The energy gives me the vibe that whoever it is that you're connecting with, this is the person here you used to love, at yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo naman siya tinigil talaga na mahalin, no? And I think this person here is ganun din siya sa inyo. Although meron tayo ditong lapses or parang meron ditong parang nagpatigil or nagpahinto, no? Ng parang nagpa-blur or nagpa-confuse sa person na to, no? But there's love, no? So let's see. May mga bagay na parang pumagitna, no, sa inyong dalawa, no? So there could be evidently um, a separation or a proof of disconnection dito. Tower. Tower right at the heart of this reading beside the Three of Pentacles. Plano, plano with the Five of Swords energy. Let me see more. Oh. You've got a lot of major arcanas already. We do have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major arcanas already. Bottom of the deck we have here for you guys. 8 of coins, 4 of wands, 6 of cups. Pero very strong yung mensaheng binibigay ng mga major arcanas ninyo, sweethearts. So, hi and hello there, collective. Hi, new viewers. My name is Yan. Welcome here. Sa mga returning kong subscribers and tambayers, thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay at pag-antabay. And yeah, kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. Kaya kung interesado kayong tumambay dyan din, kita-kita din tayo dyan mga babes. No? Basta ang gusto ko lang, just take only what resonates, guys. Okay? Kumbaga, it's up to you. I-claim mo yung mga mensahe. Kung feel mo, i-claim yon. And if you feel so drawn and so connected, then you can claim it. If not, then leave the rest behind kasi baka para yun sa other viewers or other tambayers. And wala tayong gender dito, alam niyo naman yan, pero ulit-ulitin pa rin natin, no? So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody, welcome. Pwedeng i-switch yung mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yung mga roles because this is general reading. And at the end of the day, everybody, meron kayong free will. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, kung gagamitin nyo yan. So here, what I'm saying kanina, right off the bat, no, para sa ating sunod-sunod na tatlong major arcanas, temperance energy, there's something here with the number 14. When you add number 14, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 is a very evident, no? It's like a spiritual number of changes. So parang kumapit ka sa pagbabago na to, no? So nakita ko dito that with this home and there's this heart, no? So it looks like you are stepping here into this type of amazing love story, like this is the love life, no, na talagang much awaited mo, no? So I think para to sa mga energy, no, na super strong, related ito sa inyong love life, na if you're single, I'm seeing you, no, marrying here someone that you love, no? And if you are someone here na posibleng um kakonek mo na ito or nagkakaroon na ng connection sa inyo, then you might want to hear out, no? Parang update ito sa inyong pagsasama at magiging connection pa more habang umaandar at lumilipas ang mga linggo, buwan at panahon. So nakita ko dito, no, na kung sino man tong energy na to, diretsahan na tayo dito, no? Kasi Tower energy right beside this Three of Coins to the Five of Swords, no? Universe, kaya po 5 ang inyong major arcanas dito. Universe has this plan. They have this meeting. Yes, nagmi-meeting rin po yung mga universe, no? Angels and guides, even your ancestors, no? Pinatatawag din yan, no? Kasali na rin dyan mga babes, no? Yung mga iba pang mga unseen divine forces, no? For this very important meeting, no? Meeting ito tungkol sa life mo at ito ay nasa area ng love life mo. So nakita ko dito, no, that this is someone here that you already had a legend, a history. So I do pick up that this person here, pwedeng ex mo siya strongly. Ex-husband, ex-wife, no? And you're still waiting for that person to come back, not mabuo ang family ninyo. Yung iba naman, pwedeng hindi nyo pa siya asawa or hindi pa kayo kasal, pero pwedeng ex mo to, like ex-boyfriend, ex-girlfriend, ex-ka-live-in, no? Ex-ka-commitment, ex-ka-in relationship, yes, no? So, nakita ko dito na parang meron ditong bagay na parang na-focus siya kasi may confusion dito kung saan mga babes, no, parang subconsciously gusto niya kayong piliin before pero masyado siya ritong nakain ng desire, which is unhealthy desire, kaya naging blinded ang kanyang decision. So, possible that with the Four of Cups, no, in reverse position, this person here chose the wrong cup, no, or had chosen the wrong cup, no. So, instead of coming back home to you, or instead of mabubuo ang inyong family dito at bumalik siya, this person here happened to connect doon sa rason kung bakit nagkaroon ng separasyon or disconnection sa inyong dalawa or sa pagitan ninyong dalawa, no? But the universe right here is telling me for some reason, kasi alam niyo naman, di ko pwedeng pakialaman kung ano yung plano ni universe sa buhay ninyo. Pero isa rito, no, na role ko is to tell you what is it, no, sa abot ng ating mababasa. So, nakikita natin dito, no, na kung sino man yung mga makaka-resonate dito, you still love your ex-person and you still believe na mahal ka pa rin niya pero nabubulagan lang siya. Yan, no? Which is correct. Because here, nakita ko rito na oras na, alam niyo naman, di natin pwedeng questionin kung ano yung nangyayari sa ating paligid, no? Lalo na kung ito ay being orchestrated by the divine universe, by God, no matter how you call it. But with the Tower card energy, no, nakikita ko rito na lahat ng hahadlang sa pagbabalikan ninyo ay aalisin ni universe. Nakuha ninyo mga babes? So, ibig sabihin, kahit may separasyon kayo ngayon, may disconnection kayo ngayon, maybe this person here is doing something na to return to your life, maybe this person here is already communicating to you, maybe this person here is already contacting you, calling you through your phone, through your landline, telephone, your handphone, to your social media platforms, social media accounts, Facebook Messenger, Instagram direct message, Telegram, Viber, email, whatever, WhatsApp, diba? So, kung ano man yan, universe right here, no, could be, already making, no, yung mga first movements para muli kayo ritong magkaayos at magkabalikan talaga. So, this time, parang ito yung sinasabi ni universe, no, na parang bakit ngayon lang nila binabalik? Of course, hindi natin pwedeng questionin yun. They have their own reasons why are they doing that, no? But here, very evidently, hindi nagtatapos sa inyong separation noon ang inyong connection. Dahil nakikita ko kayo rito, no, that the time is already ripe. Divine timing or what other people call na perfect timing is already here now. Universe is telling me now, ito na ang oras para magkabalikan kayo. Tower is like a promise. It's like an anunsyo right here telling me na lahat ng mga hahadlang dito sa connection ninyo ay ichuchupi at aalisin ni universe sa buhay ninyo. Without any explanation, without ni ha ni ho, without anything, no, na makaka-harm dito sa relationship ninyo. No? Lahat ng gustong sumira sa relasyon ninyo, patatalsikin ni universe. Aalisin sa buhay ninyong dalawa. So, ito na yun. Okay? So, nakikita ko nagbabalik loob na at naliliwanagan na, no? Nahihimas-masan. Alam niyo yung parang bagong gising, no? Yung antok-antok pa, nagpupungas-pungas pa, no? Tapos, binuhusan mo ng nagiyelong batya, no? Sa tubig sa loob ng batya. Anong ano nun? O kaya yung nagyayelong tubig no galing sa refrigerator, 'di ba? Gising na gising, ganun, 'di ba? So, whatever the case may be, itong person ninyo gising na gising na, yung kanya ritong unhealthy desire ay nare-realize niya ng isa yung pagkakamali at ang person mo ay nagbabalik loob na dito. Siya mismo ang magka-cut sa third party situation. But the third party situation, kung person or reading nyo ito, yung third party medyo makuletchi. Ano ibig mo sabihin dun, Miss Yan? Makuletchi. From the root word makulit. Nasa dictionary ba yun, Miss? Sa dictionary ko, yes, babes, no? Ibig sabihin nun, dahil makulit, stubborn, matigas yung ulo ng third party, wala pa rin magagawa rito, no, yung third party para mapigilan ang inyo ritong pagbabalikan. Dahil si universe gagawa ng mga paraan para hindi na makabalik ang third party na 'to, 'no, sa inyong life. Ganito 'yan, 'no, kung susugurin kayo ng third party rito, 'no, hindi siya makakasakay ng bus, ng train, or anumang means of transportation, laging may delay. "Oh, manong ba't hindi pa kayo umaandar?" "Ay ma'am, nasiraan po kasi yung gulong namin, eh, lipat na lang po kayo." Ayan, oh. May mga gano'ng situations, pinipigilan or pipigilan ni universe ang taong ito, 'no, upang makasira sa inyong dalawa, 'no. Hindi na ngayon, So, alam mo kasi mga babes, 'no, hindi ko malinaw nakikita dito kung ano yung rason ni universe bakit nagkaroon kayo ng separasyon. Pero bilang isang, friend ninyo, hindi bilang isang tarot or energy reader, 'no, marami po kasing dahilan, 'no. Maaari rin kasi na yung separasyon ninyo, 'no, ay oras para mapagtanto ng inyong person, 'no, na kayo pala talaga yung tunay niyang minamahal o iniibig, 'di ba? May gano'ng mga klase ng sitwasyon. So, dito nakita ko na lahat ng haharang hihipan ni universe palayo, 'no? At 'pag si universe umihip mga babes 'no, hindi lang ito basta-basta yung pagkapalo mo ng golf ball 'no, mas malayo pa ng, milya-milya 'no, thousand miles pa ang layo ng ihip ni universe. Kaya walang kahit na sinong makasisira, kahit itong third party na 'to, mga kaibigan na hindi sumasang-ayon sa pagbabalikan ninyo, family members or mga kamag-anak na hindi okay na magkakabalikan kayo, lahat 'yan aalisin ni universe 'no, So, hindi naman komo ibig sabihin aalisin ni universe mga babes na, matsutsуги na sila, 'no? Hindi po gano'n. Ibig lamang sabihin nito gagawa si universe ng mga paraan, si universe na mismo, 'no? Ang gagawa rito ng paraan upang bakuran ang inyo ritong koneksyon. Walang kahit na sinong makasisira sa inyo. The universe with the King of Swords energy, this is part of his or her plan, Three of Coins energy, Ten of Swords, no? Everybody, even situations, will be washed out. Dito, no? So, nakita ko that with the judgment clearly, 20, when you divided by 2, what will you get? 10, 10, isn't it? Diba? And when you add 10, 10, what will you get? 20. So, wala po tayo sa math. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, no, na dalawang 10 ang bumubuo sa 20. Ang 10 ay isang makapangyarihang spiritual na numero kung saan may magtatapos at may muling sisibol. So, ibig sabihin, nagtapos man ang inyong koneksyon, ito ay muling magbabalik at sisibol, no? So, romance is about to bloom between the both of you. This might be, yeah, for others, this could be the second time around. Pero yung iba nakita ko, ilang beses na rin, pwedeng third time around, no? But this time, no one can separate you from each other. Eight of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Six of Cups. I do pick up now that this time, both of you, especially this ex of yours, no, na nabulag, nabulagan, no, will work things out na siya na yung magte-take ng lead dito at magugulat ka kasi ang laki ng pinagbago niya. No? Dati ikaw yung nag-handle ng inyong relationship just to make everything work for the both of you guys. No? But this time, this ex of yours, no, siya yung matatakot at magiging takot, no, na mawala kayo ulit sa buhay niya, no. So, nakita niya dito ang realidad ng mundo, no, without you guys, no. So, that is enough already, no, para hindi niya pabayaan ang connection na ito. Yan. So, nakita ko dito that your love will be renewed. Your connection will be rekindled. Six of Cups energy, there will be equal give and take. And this time, you are protected by the angels and guides, no? Alam niyo sa kalaunan, lahat naman ng tanong ninyo kung bakit lang kayo ngayon pinagbalik sa isa't isa, no, or bakit nangyari yun, lahat yan may mga sagot, no? Malalaman nyo rin yan, no, as you dwell, no, more sa inyong life's journey together, no? Ang importante ngayon, magbabalik kayo sa piling ng isa't isa, and this time, hawak kamay na, no? Walang bitiwan dito. So, ito yung mga sign na kuha ko here for you guys. Thank you again. I'm Yan. Sarang hiyo, love and light. And